If you already have money invested into crypto or you're someone that's looking to get into crypto, these are all the things that's happening right now that's affecting the price of crypto. And I'm going to tell you what I would do to take advantage of what's happening so I can make the most amount of money as possible. In the past month, we saw Bitcoin move up almost 15%, which is insane because the month of September is typically the worst month for crypto throughout every other month in the entire year. So because of this, I feel it's another reason why the month of October and the remainder of the year is going to be so bullish for crypto. But I'm moving a little too fast. Let me just rewind and start from the beginning. One of the reasons why we saw Bitcoin, the crypto market, in the past few days do a massive run up is because of jobs. We were expecting about 147,000 jobs, but in reality, we got over 254,000 jobs. And this is amazing for the economy because it shows stability, it shows growth, and it brings a lot more confidence to investors. And that causes investors to take their capital and start putting it into the stock market, into the crypto market, into more volatile assets. Hence why in the past few weeks, we saw over 2 billion, yes, with a B, dump into the crypto market, even though we saw about $140-ish million being withdrawn. We still have a surplus of over $1 billion dumped into the crypto market. And the month of September was such a positive month for the crypto market and Bitcoin as a whole that we saw Bitcoin close above 7%. And I talked about this in the last previous YouTube video of how major of a factor this is going to be for the remainder of the year. Every time when we see Bitcoin end in a green month in the month of September for the remainder of the year, which is October, November, December, they are all green. And we can see it happen in 2023. We can see it happen in 2016, and we can see it happen again in 2015. And this year, 2024, is going to be the fourth time where we see it happen once again. One of the things that happened that was supposed to be great for the crypto market actually backfired. We saw the Federal Reserve announce that they cut interest rates, which typically makes the stock market skyrocket. It makes Bitcoin skyrocket and everyone's happy. Prices are going up. We're all making money. But the opposite happened. We actually saw the crypto market go down. We saw Bitcoin have a massive retracement and prices were red. Now, this is typically normal if you look at historical performance once the Fed does all these aggressive rate cuts, especially within a short period of time. But also, if you look at it historically, every time there is a cut rate, sometimes it may take a while, but we see the market overall continue to move in the upward direction. And it also tells us, yes, the Federal Reserve is sticking to their plan to continuously cut rates going up until 2025, which aligns with the crypto market perfectly because it tells us, hey, the rest of this year, which would be October, November, December, we can see prices continue to move upwards, which means you and I are making more crypto money. And if they continue to cut it within early of 2025, it means during Q1, we can see crypto market continue to run up, prices continue to move higher, and you and I make more profit. One cryptocurrency that has really disappointed me this bull market is Ethereum. Yes, the blue pillow behind me on the second shelf has been disappointing. Now, don't get me mistaken, Ethereum did do well. Ethereum was in the $800 price range. It went all the way out towards that $4,000 price range. Great, that's about a 3x, a little bit more than that. But the reason why I'm a little disappointed is because we saw Bitcoin really skyrocket. Bitcoin hit a new all-time high, continued to hit another all-time high, when Ethereum did not hit its previous all-time high. Now, even though it made us money, Ethereum is one of that cryptocurrency which it had a massive shift in the last bull market. In the last bull market, when the crypto market was consolidating, we saw Ethereum really start to pump. Ethereum caused Bitcoin to start to pump and the entire crypto market. Seeing that shift of Ethereum go from one of the altcoins to where it's standing kind of in its own category, in a way it still is. But this bull market, I was just very disappointed to not see it hit new all-time high. But Ethereum does have some positive news, which is increasing its block time from 12 seconds all the way to 8 seconds, which is going to make it more efficient. It's going to make it more faster, which everyone loves. This is important because in the world of crypto, you want a blockchain that's fast. A blockchain that's fast will draw attention. A blockchain that's fast and cheap will draw even more attention. So seeing that Ethereum is still being developed on to make it faster is really attractive. Now, Ethereum is already the #1 layer 2 blockchain in the entire world. There is no other crypto project that has a bigger ecosystem than Ethereum. Now that you know what's happening in the crypto market, I am going to tell you exactly what I would do to maximize this opportunity, and the answer will shock you. You'll probably say,
Naicke Kalala, I have never ever thought of that. That is very smart.
Before I deep dive into that, if you are still struggling with crypto, you need help, or you're really brand new, check the link in the bio where I'm hosting my crypto webinar, where I share my techniques, my strategies that has really helped me succeed in crypto, and you get weekly tips and advice from me to help you continue to grow, achieve your crypto goals. So this is what I would do to maximize the market. Number one, I'm gonna split it up into two categories. Category one is for people that are looking to invest. You want to hold that cryptocurrency for a long period of time. Category number two is for people who are looking to day trade, looking to swing trade, and looking to make profit right away. What is the number one crypto that I would be accumulating if I'm looking to invest? First, I'd wait for the market to have a red day. Red day means buy, green day means sell. If you're able to grasp that concept, you will see your crypto results completely change. So after I see that red day, I would look to buy Bitcoin. I know what you're thinking.
Bitcoin is so boring. Why would you buy Bitcoin?
Name me one cryptocurrency aside from Bitcoin where it continuously hits new all-time high. I'll wait. You can't name any. Bitcoin has just proven itself regardless of what's happening. It goes down during the bear market. During that bull market, it always hits new all-time high again and again and again. So if I'm looking for the safest investment where I know I will make money, and I know regardless at what price you have bought in Bitcoin, it will always move higher than the price that you bought it at. So you will always walk away with more money in your pocket than when you first started. But if I'm looking to make profit in the short term, I'm looking to swing trade, I'm looking to day trade, guess which crypto project I would try to swing and day trade with? Bitcoin. And the only reason I would do that is because if you are a great swing trader, you are going to make profit. If you're an amazing swing trader, you're going to make profit. But if you are brand new and you're not exactly sure and you're still trying to test the water, Bitcoin is the number one cryptocurrency to swing trade and day trade, because even if you do absolutely terrible, guess what? You can leave your money in Bitcoin, and over time, Bitcoin has proven itself, just as I said prior, it will continue to go up over time and hit new all-time high. So it's a way of you doing a skill where only 1% of people succeed, because only 1 out of 10 day traders is actually profitable. But if you're able to day trade Bitcoin, it significantly increases your odds, because history shows even if you buy Bitcoin at the previous bull market at the highest price possible, this bull market, you would have made profit. But if your goal is to still find crypto projects that still have high potential to 3x, 5x, 10x, then the crypto project I would look at is specifically AI crypto projects built on the Solana ecosystem, and RWA crypto projects, because history shows right now we're in a good place to see prices really start moving up higher, and those category of crypto projects still have potential to see a 2x, a 4x, a 8x, 10x, 15x. If you have any crypto questions, just make sure to leave your question in the comments. And if you need more crypto help, check out the link in the bio for my free crypto course.